Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok to your bank account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to basically access TikTok. So let's go ahead and open up TikTok here, and from here what we need to do is we need to go to our profile. So from here what we need to do next is we need to visit our balance. So at the top right of your screen, you should be able to see the 3-bar icon or the hamburger icon. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now, typically the balance section should be available on this section here. You just need to click on the balance section there. But if you're unable to see it, you need to go to settings and privacy here, and usually you'll be able to see the balance at the account section. But since a balance is actually available on this section under the hamburger icon, so let's go ahead and click on it, and from here you should be able to see your balance. Now in this case, we want to go ahead and click on live rewards, and under live rewards you should see the button there that says withdraw. Now in this case, if you click on withdraw here, typically it's going to give you an option to basically withdraw your money into your PayPal account. So you just need to follow the information needed for you to withdraw your money into PayPal. And from PayPal, what we need to do here is from there, you just need to transfer it into your bank account, and you should be good. So currently there's no direct way for you to transfer your money directly into your bank account. So you need to process it first on your PayPal account, and from your PayPal account you need to transfer it into your bank account. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.